we're going to work a little bit on window crazies here. This is what we got. All right, so this is what we did. I put this new window in, and believe me, I didn't do this. I'd be embarrassed. I'd be ashamed to walk away from this. But what we did is I just didn't have enough wood to fill it in, or insulation, so I just used this foam, you know, this foam I put in here. It's not even made for exterior rating. It's not made to be exposed to the elements, and we just glued this metal shim right here to it. I got broken right here, my J channel. See, that's a J channel right through here. That's broken. Water's coming down through here, but they sprayed foam in behind that, hoping that's going to stop the water from getting in our house. And through here is all foam. That is not a window replacement. That's a window screw up. That's what it should be called, window ignorance. Come on. Okay, but here's a good one right here. I wonder, do you think this is going to be good enough to hold this window in here when I put this new window in? They did. They put this window in here on this wood right here. And then that's my thumb right here. You can see that, yeah, even old carpenters don't know. Even old carpenters hit the wrong nail. But look at that finger. I could have stuck that finger even further into it. I was afraid that if I kept on pushing, I'd be pushing them in all the way inside the house. It was that rotted. Now, what do you think I was supporting? Well, but they got nice paint on it. They painted it up, made it look pretty. If you hadn't had somebody that knew what they was doing looking at it, they would have thought that was just fine. And it's because the last window was a problem. They didn't figure out why the last problem was, so we just replaced it with another window. And the window manufacturer, the window companies that come out there and place these windows, a lot of times they really don't care, you know, what the problem caused. They're out there to replace a window, not fix the problem. Do you hear me? They're out there to sell you and put a window in, but not fix the problem. Why? Because they don't care. And besides, it's not their fault. You know, well, it is their fault. It is, and this is totally uncalled for. And with that being said, thank you for watching our video. I hope it's not only been educational, but entertaining. And my blessings to you all. Thank you.
Sponsored by Troy Galloway and Galloway Building Services. GallowayBuildingServices.com.